Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's vlog. If you're new here, thank you so much for being here, and make sure to like, subscribe to my channel. More is on the way, and if you're an OG, mwah, kisses for you. We're starting this vlog with an unboxing. It seems like I order a lot, but I actually don't. I kind of decluttered a lot of my gym wears this year, so that's why I've just been ordering gym wears. And you know that I'm a gym girly. I go to the gym and I need to look good while at the gym. So I ordered this gym wears from Mummysamstores on Instagram. I'm going to leave their Instagram handle here. This is not my first time ordering from them. I ordered from them while I was in Port Harcourt. I love their outfits, and yeah, I decided to go for it and order more from them because they were saying that they had more of their items coming in and they are affordable. I mean, they are affordable compared to other places. So let's see what I ordered. First is this set, this olive green set. This is also a flay pants. I hope this is not too big. This looks big, but this looks big. But I think it's a large. Is it? It's a large, yeah. It's my size, don't worry. It looks big, but it's my size. This olive set it's flayed. Yeah, and it comes with a tank top. I love this. I already have an olive green set, but of course the legs are not wide. So when I saw this, I'm like, yeah, I'm into wide legs now, so let's get it. Next item, sorry, bear with me, I ordered a lot, I think. Next item is this gym top. I already ordered this from them while I was in Port Harcourt. I ordered the blue one. I really love it. I think I will set a picture of me wearing it with the pants that I ordered it with. So I really love this. So I wanted it in a different color. So I got it in black. Next is also a gym top. This is in pink. This is also a short sleeve. Also don't have a lot of gym tops, so yeah, hence this one. This is like a simple design. This is an old design, but like they didn't have much more designs there, so that's why I got this. Next I ordered, yeah, I think this is the romper, a jumpsuit. So I love wearing things like this for yoga because you're going to stretch a lot. I don't like my pants pulling down or pulling up, so that's why I just wear things like this. But obviously I don't wear it backless. I wear a top or a jacket with it, so hence this one. Then I got this set. This is, I think, one of their new arrival. I saw it and I really love the color. This is also a jumpsuit. It has, the bra is padded and the abdominal section is also like guided to help with my fupa, and the pants are flared. This looks really, really good. I can't wait to wear it for yoga, honestly. We're almost done, don't worry. Second to last here is a bra top. Yeah, you can't have many of those, so just one simple bra top. And then the last thing I got, oh, this flare pants. So a black flare pants. This looks really nice. Oh, the quality looks good, and all the things are super affordable, like super affordable. Thank you so much to Mummysamstores. And these things, some of them I didn't order all at once. I've just been ordering since the beginning of this year or even last year. no, beginning of this year, sorry. So I kind of told her to hold a bit because I was waiting for some other items to arrive so that I can, take it all together so that she can deliver all of them together to me. So these are basically all the things. I love looking good to the gym. It just motivates me to put in my energy, and it just gives me that excitement to wear any of these outfits and just go to the gym. Like, that's one thing, one key. Obviously, of course, is a lot of money, but you don't have to spend this much. You can also buy thrifted wares, to the gym. So bear that in mind, because we need to get active this year. So wear something cute. You can actually get cute stuff thrifted, and let's get to the gym and be active. Okay, so that's it. Let's continue with the vlog. Hello beautiful people. Today is another day. I've been down a little bit for a while, so I want to go run some tests and then do my routine yearly check test. So if you want, I can list down the tests that I think everyone should be doing at least once in a year. Then if you have any underlying condition, you might need to do these tests more often or more regularly. I'll list them down in the caption below, so please do check out those tests because they're very important. Early detection or early diagnosis is very, very important. It will help tremendously with the management of any condition, be it cancer, be it diabetes or hypertension. It will just help overall. I'm wearing this pant set from Shop Mona. I think this is an Dior set. This is how it looks. I'm losing weight, so it's a bit big on me. It has always been big, but it's bigger on me now. But I have no choice. That's what I want to wear today, so that maybe after today I can take it in a little bit. It's too big. It's supposed to be a big fit though, but I don't know. The top is the pants are manageable, but the top, I don't know. But the back is not bad. So that's where I'm off to today. That's my bag. I'm carrying that bag, and then my book that I'm currently reading. So let me show you the book and then my perfume, the scent of the day for me. So this is the book I'm currently reading. This is one of my favorite book series. This is the first book of the series, An Unlikely Kind of Love. This series, just if you see it, just pick it up and go and read it. You won't be disappointed. Here's my bag of the day. I'm carrying this. This is my favorite bag. This is my Culbia bag. And then the scent of the day. This is Sundays in Rio by Janeiro and Hypnotic Passion by Dior. These two smell so good together. So let's go. Don't mind the noise. It's the construction from my neighbor. They've been doing some reconstruction, so. I'm just coming from that first lab, and I realized that all the tests were expensive. Maybe because I work in the government and I know how much this test costs. I was like, no, this is too much. I can't do them. And because I'm doing multiple tests, it doesn't make sense that I'll spend so much money on one test. So I want to try another lab and see if the price is better. Then I'll go ahead and do it. So that's where I'm heading to. Let's go. Okay, I just came back from that one, and number one, the place is not looking nice. It's just only one person there, and I'm very particular about all these things. So the place wasn't looking nice. I don't know if I showed a little clip of how that place was looking when I went there. Secondly, it is more expensive than the first place that I went to. And why I also don't want to get my test done there is that when I was about leaving, the guy was calling me back like he's going to give a massive discount and like almost like 50% off. Like he was literally begging me to come and do the test there. And I'm like, what if I drop my test and they don't do this test? They just bring a random result and give to me. So long story short, I am thinking now perhaps I should just go to the hospital and just get it done instead of using the lab, or go back to the first lab, because I think that place, it looks better and there were professionals there were nurses to take sample and all of that. Perhaps I should go to that first one and just get it done, or go to the hospital and just get it done. I don't know for me, like, if you are someone that works in the healthcare, let me know. Do you like getting your test done in the place where you work, or you just rather get it somewhere else? Yes, I know there's a discount to when you get it done where you work, but for me, I just want my medical records out of my place of work. So I don't like, just for privacy's sake, I don't like getting my blood work done there. I rather go to a lab or go to another hospital. So that's what I would do. Let's go. I'm already tired. So I'm finally back at the first place that I went to. I don't want to leave this vicinity. I don't want to go far. I'm tired. So let me just go there and quickly run the ones that I have money to run. And if there's anything remaining, I can come back later and do that. Let's go. I finished doing the test, and yeah, I stopped at Hypnotic to get some emotions for myself, and I felt dizzy. I felt like I'm running temperature as well, so I decided to get this. I usually get this beetroot. I really love the beetroot juice, so I got it at shawarma to eat. I'm waiting for my shawarma, but I think I'm already better, so I'll just have the shawarma when I get home, when it's ready. So I'm so tired. I don't know. I fasted for the test. And by the way, if you're coming to run a blood test, especially if you're doing like an extensive blood test, try and fast, because there's some of the investigations that you need to fast, like your fasting blood glucose level, and then your fasting lipid profile. So because of those two, I decided to fast. So I'm a little bit dizzy, and I don't think I ate much yesterday. So that's why I love this beetroot juice. Really nice. I don't think there's added sugar. Those beetroot, pineapple, apples, watermelon, and ginger.